Shantae is a real Geico customer. Martia is a rock star. We got her to tell her story. It was Christmas Eve. Christmas. And out of nowhere, watch out, girl! A skunk came out of nowhere. Run! And blew his stanky ass perfume and clouded our window. Hold your breath. And as I sat there closing my breath, I ran into a motherfucking pole. What? Shut your mouth. I'm just talking about a pole. She ran into a pole because she had a goal. But thank goodness I had just switched my insurance to Geico. Geico. At first I didn't know, but I was a little attracted to the little Geico. 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 That was